He's right underneath.
Rufus? Rufus? Hiya, babe. Hiya. You gonna go for a walk? You gonna go for a walk? Yeah? Go get his lead. Go get his lead, Mum. Rufus, where are you?
You go right on the floor.
Rufus? Ruf? What are you doing up there? Silly? Silly boy.
Imagine it.
I know, look at him, he's going to hide here again now. Come on then, let's go get a lead. Come on.
Go up the cupboard now.
Come on then.
Wait, Leo. Wait, Leo. Roof, wait.
Out the way then.
I go in. Leo, wait. Go on, push past Leo.
Right, I'll touch him.
Please open the lead.
Out the way then. Oh, go fast.
Go to the chocolate now. I'm going to go down the shop and get the chocolate.
Yeah. Mum. Right then. Where are they then?
Actually, they might be here, Mummy.
There they are.
Oh, there they are. No. Look how we go. You're going to go for a walk. You go for a walk? We're going to go for a walk, yeah? Come on, then. Go for a walk. Come on, then. Put it on to Rufus, then.
You going?
We'll go for a walk, yeah? Come on, then. Who's going to put it on?
I'm going to eat you, Ruth. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right then. Which one's his? Blue one. Come on then. Where you going? Wolfie? I can see you. Come on, don't be so daft. Good deal, we can't wait.
Yeah.
Milo! Milo! Oh!
Careful now. Come aside, Leo. Stop on the side and go.
Silly boy.